Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin Utuken. In this video 103, I'm going to continue from the previous video 102 where we built that weekly report. Here, we're going to create a mini dashboard with a chart uh, built on top of that particular weekly report that we can actually filter by sales representative. Now, this is what I mean. Let's take a look. Now, in my previous video, we have created this report. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to convert this information into a chart. So let's make it presentable. So I'm going to click this one, do a chart. I'm just going to use a column chart. That's it. Right, so I'm going to put this. I'll try to make it as long as possible. As follow the size of the chart. There you go. And I'm going to filter out what we call this, not filter, but rearrange that legend so that the legend is showing the information at the bottom of the screen. And I do not want all this heading. So what I'm going to do is all these field headers, I'm going to remove them. Yep, it's going to look like this. I'm going to take away the gray color grid lines. That's it. Nice and clean little chart here. Now, like I said, I'm going to do something related to the filter, which is I'm going to filter out the what you call this chart based on the sales representative. So I'm going to click on this particular table and I'm going to the pivot table analyze. I use insert slicer. I'm going to use something called sales representative. So in this sales representative, I have 6 of them. Now I'm going to make them as long as the report. I'm going to make that as long as the report. And I'm going to make it into 6 columns. Okay, so I'm going to make it lower a little bit and put it just right above the chart. So with this in place, what's going to happen now is if I click sales rep 2, this is the sales for the sales rep 2. You see, this is the magic that you can prepare for your bosses to see and impress him. Right? So if you wish to choose to compare sales rep 1 and sales rep 4, you just have to hold down your control and click it. That you can compare. This is the combination of sales rep 1 and sales rep 4. This is how they look like in their sales. Now, if you do not want to hold down any control, you can do a multiple select. Click that and you can say, okay, I want to include 1, 2, 4, and 5. Let's see their performance. Yeah, we can do that. You can click it off, you can turn it off. So these are the buttons that will help you to analyze the data. All right, so I hope this will give you a quick insights on how you can simply build a dashboard based on what they already have in pivot table, which is the chart and also the slicer. All right, so I hope you can share this video to everyone that you think that needed this kind of quick report and show it to your boss without much effort. So please like and share, subscribe my YouTube video. I'll see you in my next video 104. Thank you so much and I'll see you soon.